In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick, simple, and easy Valentine's Day candy setup that you can make here on a table. So as you see, I have my tablecloth I purchased from the Dollar Tree, $1.50. Absolutely gorgeous. Now you see I have put this love sign here. Y'all, this love sign is so pretty. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's 50% off, so it was $9.99. I bought these beautiful tin glasses that came from the Dollar Tree, and they are super cute. I'm going to be putting this candy inside it. Now I got this candy, buy one get one free. And as you see, I just added the candy inside of these glasses here, these wine glasses. And I have these cute little bowls that you get from the Dollar Tree also. Now, if you see a Dollar Tree have went up, so if you see a red dot, that means that the price have increased. So these were $2. So I got 3 of them total. As you see, I bought these cute little hearts here. They came 60 in a pack. I got this candy. I also got the caramel candy that you see right here. So just use any candy that you like to go on your table. Now, it's just going to be me and my husband, so that's why I am doing this. Now, you can make it as big as you want to, or you can make it as small as you want to. But the bigger you go, of course, the more money that you will spend. But this table came together so cute, y'all. And actually, this can be made for under $25. As long as you have your table. Now, if you have to get a table, the price will increase. Now, I did add these Dollar Tree balloons that you see right here, and they were $2 also. So like I said, the Dollar Tree prices have increased. If you can find anything cheaper, then of course go with the cheaper. But this is what I wanted to show you in case you wanted to just make something simple, quick and easy for you and your husband, or you and your girlfriend, or whoever it may be that you wanted to make this for. And it's all under $25. So I hope that you all enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. And you all, happy Valentine's Day.